Now the great thing with projects like these is that they're good for both beginners and for clearing out your scraps bin. Perfect. So now we've got the piece that we want, it's time to rip it down to size. This one fit lovely and just needed cutting in half. Next it's on to marking out. You need a piece at 9 inches and one at 6 inches. I've recently upgraded all my blades to 80 teeth. The difference in cut is absolutely amazing. So you can see the basic design coming together. 2 pieces are going to have half a slot each and placed together. I always like to use something for a reference instead of just going off marking. First I use my phone and then I use the thickness of the other piece of wood to make sure that I've got a hole the right size. First of all, I tried removing this by drilling a small pilot hole and then using the bandsaw. But my bandsaw isn't strong enough. I changed tack quickly, went back to the table saw, this time using my miter gauge instead of the fence. Taking multiple passes, I clear out all the material, checking to see if it fits and sneaking up on that cut. Once you're happy with where you've got and it's not too tight, it's not too loose, it should slot together nicely and you can start to see how this thing's going to come together. I'm always a fan of checking, making sure everything fits well before you move on. Everyone's favourite part next, sanding. Now I was quite lucky with this being leftovers from another project that had been milled up. There wasn't that much to do, just a little bit of round over on the corners. I did of course have the bandsaw damage to try and repair. Now with these only being little, I was able to get my rag out with a little bit of excess polish on and just give them a quick wipe over before one final fit to make sure that I'm happy with how it's going to look. Oh, that's done one. And there you go, one very simple phone stand build. And once you've got one, it's amazing how easy you can use that prototype to make loads of others. Now we can make any design that you want as easy or as complex as you like. Thanks for watching. If you've taken anything from this video, consider giving me a like and subscribe, really helps me out. But until next time, have a good one in shop.